Greetings everybody, Sive Morten here with the forexpeacearmy.com. So let's keep going with the analysis of the euro currency. In general, retracement that we discussed yesterday is started, so you can see market stance downside action here. And currently our trading plan suggests to watch on some predefined support areas on intraday charts, try and take the position with this bullish pattern. So you can see the bullish reversal session, together it creates both bullish engulfing, and also this is Jordan-Napoli grubber. So pattern suggests taking out of this top. So it is logical just to watch for some minor tactical pullback and consider possible entry. Another moment here, as you can see, market is in MACD lines are flirting with each other, so it means that here we could also get the grubber. Well, on the daily chart, maybe it's not as important, just because we already have this one. This grubber, if it will be formed, it will not bring anything new either to the target or to some other things, but it's just appearing here. Another grubber might get a bit more confidence with our suggestion, so that all downside actions here on the intraday charts are buying out by the new traders that are stepping in on the long side, which could be just some sign of the sentiment on the market. So dropping lower, first I think that we should take a look at the hourly chart, and then we will consider the 4-hour time frame chart. So on hourly chart, here's how retracement stands. In fact, it has started with the Gartley steeple to sell pattern. Now we have this APCD down. First level to watch for is OP 1777 and the nearest standing level 1783. So 7783, the first destination point of the possible retracement. Next one will be around 1750, 1760. So this XOP target. Drop below this level, moving lower, below the 1750 or 1745, it will be the warning sign. It's just because it's not the natural performance for the bullish market. If it starts dropping here, moving back down to the lows, which is actually an validation point of our grubber, that will be not good. So in this case, it will be a first sign that probably something is going on wrong, and the situation could change. Until market stands around these levels, everything is okay. So deep retracement currently, this is not the problem, just because, as you can see, after the downside action, market has formed first upward reversal swing. So in fact, that's we call this session as a reversal on the daily chart. And normal ABCD retracement after reversal swing, it's classical performance. So it's just how market works. So experienced traders tells that take the first ABCD down after the reversal swing. That's actually what we're going to do. But what the depth will be of this ABCD down, so either the OP or the XOP, we will see. In fact, as I talked about this every time, if you suggest take the long position in general, you would like to trade it on the long side, maybe things make sense to just split the position in parts. Take some part in OP. If market drops slightly lower, take another one, and then be prepared for a possible upward continuation. So that's what we have here on hourly chart. In fact, we will get the Gartley steeple to buy, right? So with this possible downside ABCD patch, which is good. Now on the 4-hour time frame chart, here is the only thing that to consider. As you can see, here is also market is coming to the MACD line. And just keep an eye, once the market will start touching our targets, just keep an eye on another grubber. So once you will see it, market will be, the candle will be closed with the grubber pattern. It means that hardly we will get any deeper retracement. So upward action could start with the grubber will be formed here. So that's just the thing to control. It probably will happen in the nearest couple of sessions here, I mean on the 4-hour time frame chart. So which means actually in today's session. Just keep an eye on this, and that also could give some confidence, since probably the market's preparing for upward continuation once the grubber will be formed. Something like this. So you can see retracement started, grubber, another one, and we go. So something like this we expect to see here. Besides this long-term support that we have from the 4-hour time frame chart, you can see, you probably remember this channel that we were trading in the previous few weeks. It still holds, so that's also a good sign. So that's probably enough for me for now. We have specified everything is needed for today's session trading process. Just keep an eye on these things, and let's hope that everything will be just great.